Welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Suzuki RM-Z 1050, a powerful motocross machine designed for riders who demand raw performance, aggressive styling, and race-ready capability. Design and styling. The 2026 Suzuki RM-Z 1050 features an aggressive, competition-focused design. Sharp body panels, bold graphics, and a compact chassis give it a true factory race look. The lightweight frame is engineered to improve rider control, making the bike feel planted and responsive on rough terrain. Engine and performance. At the heart of the RM-Z 1050 is a high-performance engine tuned for explosive acceleration and strong mid-to-top-end power. Throttle response is sharp, delivering instant torque for quick exits out of corners and confident jumps. This setup makes the bike ideal for motocross tracks and demanding off-road conditions. Handling and suspension. Suzuki equips the RM-Z 1050 with advanced suspension designed to absorb hard landings and uneven terrain. The balanced chassis geometry provides excellent cornering stability, while the lightweight construction helps riders maintain control at high speeds. Technology and features. Modern rider aids enhance performance and confidence. Advanced traction control settings allow riders to adapt the bike to different track conditions, while precise fuel injection ensures consistent power delivery in all environments. Braking and control. High-performance disc brakes offer strong and predictable stopping power. Combined with responsive handling, the RM-Z 1050 delivers confident braking performance, even during aggressive riding sessions. Final verdict. The 2026 Suzuki RM-Z 1050 is built for serious riders who crave power, control, and race-inspired engineering. With its aggressive performance and refined handling, it stands out as a top contender in the high-performance motocross segment.